Alright, so basically I'm going to try to take this OEM emblem off, and then we're going to try to install the Type R red emblems on the front, the back, and on the steering wheel. I actually broke it off, oh well. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to clean it out with alcohol and water. Try to scrub down the air and try to make it clean for the adhesive to stick. Alright, so this is what it looks like right out of the bag. So apparently there's two pins in the back, but the pins don't match the holes on the OEM Accord. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to cut these off somehow. Alright, so what I ended up doing was I busted out the old Dremel and just sanded down the pins just to where it's even. You just got to be careful because it does take some of the tape off, and hopefully it takes some of the adhesive off. Alright, so that's how the front looks. What do you guys think? At first I wasn't really going to try to do the Type R emblem, but then my Accord was like so black and white, and all I had was like the red pinstripes, so I decided to just try this on. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Alright, so now it's time for the back. Hopefully I don't break it this time. Well, she's in one piece, but she flew right on my face. So that's how the back looks. Alright, so this is what the inside of my car looks like as of right now. We are going to be installing the first mod, I guess, of the interior, which is going to be the Type R emblem for the steering wheel. I believe this is just an overlay as well, so let's see how it goes. Alright, you know what? I'm not really sure if this is just an overlay or not, but I really don't want to mess around trying to take this off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean it again with alcohol and water, and then I'll just take try that again. So I'm just gonna take the tab off for the adhesive, and then I'm just gonna put it right on it and see if it'll stay. Alright, so here goes nothing. You know what? I actually gotta put the phone down. Hold on. Alright, well, there it is. It doesn't look too bad from what I see. Can't really see the bottom part of it. Question is if it'll stay. But we'll find that out eventually. Alright, now that we got the emblems installed, it's time for the fog lights overlays. So I actually have some red overlay wraps on them right now, but from what I can see, I don't know, I think I want it darker. So I'm gonna try to put some of the smoke overlay on it, the 20%, and then see what it does. So before I install the overlays, I'm gonna do the same thing with it. I'm gonna clean it with alcohol and water, wipe it down dry, and then put the overlays on them. So I got this off of eBay, but it kind of looks like it came from the Crooks Motorsports website, because I bought some chrome delete from them, and it looks exactly like this, where it has the P for the passenger side and the D for the driver's side. So this is basically for the driver's side. We're gonna flip it over like this. We're gonna line this over here, and then on this side right over there. It's gonna look like that when I'm done. Yeah, so apparently I'm one of those guys who don't read the instructions. I had to waste one of them, but good thing it came with like an extra on the driver's side, because apparently it's a wet application and not a dry application. But anyways, that's what it looks like with the smoke overlay. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep it, because even though it's like looks dark right now, once I turn on the light, it still emits the same red as it would without it. And I don't know if I want to keep it black or just have it look red like the one over here, where there's no smoke overlay on it yet. So I don't know. I'm gonna decide later and see how it goes. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. I'm pretty sure I'm not done adding more mods to the car. I don't think I'll ever be done, but go ahead and like and subscribe, just so you get a notification, because I will be doing more mods. Alright, catch you guys later.